Welcome to English for Beginners, Unit 11, Chores and Cleaning. کارهای خانه و پاککاری. You're watching learnenglish.I.A.S. I am Kamawali Safari. In this lesson, we are focusing on the household chores. کارهای خانه. First chores is to clean the window. To clean the window. Example, I clean the window on Sundays. روزهای یکشنبه من خونه پاک میکنم. To sweep the floor, جارو کردن. To sweep the floor. And my wife sweeps floor in the morning. or scrub floor, تراش کردن یا صافی کردن. I scrub the floor every day. من هر روز این کارو میکنم. Scrub the floor. To mop the floor, خشک کردن. And we both mop the floor. ما هر دو ما زمین خشک میکنیم. floor. To vacuum the carpet. Vacuum جارو برقی کردن. carpet هم قالین جارو برقی کردن. To vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. To dust خاک تکاندن. To dust. And she dusts the shelf every day, or to dust, to take out the trash, or to take out the rubbish. So the word trash is an American word, and rubbish is the UK word or the United Kingdom word. Trash لغات كلمة أمريكية است و rubbish إنجليزية است. To take out the rubbish كسفاده ننداختن. To clean up, it's an American word, and to tidy up, it means it's an English word. كلمة clean up خودش كلمة أمريكية است و tidy up كلمة إنجليزية است. tidy up معنی منظم کردن یا پاککاری کردن. And to go to the store or to go to shops. You know that the word store is an American word, and shop is the UK word. To go to shopping. To clean the bathroom. That's not proper to clean. Like we can say, last week I cleaned the bathroom, or last week Zoya cleaned the bathroom. And we have another word for this one, to set the table. It is used when you get ready the table for eating, for dinner, for lunch, whatever. Maison مرکلم, to set the table. We can say Ahmad sets the table every day for lunch. هر روز احمد میز برای چاشتم بادم میکنه. And after setting the table, we eat, and after eating, we clean the table. بعد از اینکه بخوریم بعد میز پاککاری میکنیم. Then we say we clean the table. After cleaning the table, we have to do the dishes. Do the dishes, it means what? It means ظرف‌ها شستن. Do the dishes, it means ظرف شستن. Like my auntie does the dishes every afternoon. بعد از ظهر هر روز ظرف‌ها میشه. To dry the dishes, صافی کردن ظروف یا ظرف‌ها. After we do the dishes, we dry the dishes. بعد از اینکه ما ظرف‌ها رو بشوییم ظرف‌ها رو خشک میکنیم. To load the dishwasher یعنی که ظرفشوی پر کردن. To load the dishwasher. If you want to do the dishes, so you have to load the dishwasher. اگر میخواین ظرف‌ها رو بشوییم باید با این ظرفشوی بندازیم. To unload the dishwasher, it means ظرفشوی خالی کردن. You need to unload the dishwasher. تو باید خالی کنید dishwasher یا ظرفشوی. To do the laundry, it means koloshistan, laundry. I do my own laundry. And after I do my own laundry, then I hung the clothes. لباس تنظف کردن, right? And clothes, and after they dried, then I do the ironing. to care that. After ironing, so I usually fold the clothes. لباس خاب کردن. At 9 o'clock, I usually make my bed. ساعت 9 بجه معمولاً من تخت خواب خدا آماده میکنم. If it is necessary, اگر ضروری بود, I change the sheets. Sheet رو رجوعی. ما رجوعی را تبدیل میکنم. I change the sheets. Usually in the morning, at 8 o'clock, I water the plants. I water the plants. كلها out making. And once a week I wash the car. After یک بار من متعهد میشم, I wash the car. At 8:30 I feed the pets. ساعت 8:30 بجه من حیوانات غذا میدم. Feed the pets. Pets حیوانات اهلی و حیوانات خانگی. Let's discuss the laundry and cleaning, right? And first, washing machine, machine لباسشویی. I bought a washing machine last week. هفته گذشته من یک ماشین شستشوی یا پالشویی خریدم. It has a tumble dryer, a laundry basket, laundry detergent. ماشین چی داره؟ یک ماشین خشکان داره، خشک میکنه. tumble dryer, laundry basket یک سبد داره، سبد کالا. And a laundry detergent. سفید کننده و استفاده داره. We have a very long clothesline or washing line, which is UK. And clothesline is an American متناوبة line. And we have a dozen of drying clips or pig. Pig is American. Pig is a UK word, and drying clips are the United States word. We have 12 pigs, right? Iron. This is called iron. Ironing board. تحديد. Iron board. Bucket. Saddle. And mop خشکه. We have Phillips iron. We have a tall ironing board with a blue bucket. And we bought a mop this morning. We bought a mop this morning. This is dishwashing liquid or washing up liquid. Now we have two different words and with the same meaning. دو کلمه متفاوت با معنای یک. Dishwashing liquid is an American word, and washing up liquid is a UK word. So both means it's a liquid that we usually use it for washing clothes or do dishes. Scouring pad یا scouring پاککاری کردن. اما اسفنجی که امروز استفاده میشه یعنی scouring یا سیمک میگن چی میگه. Sponge is a sponge, right? A sponge. And cloth is sopping. And we have a brand new cloth. We usually use it for cleaning. And we have a duster. Duster is something that you remove the dust with. Duster چیزی است که تو خاکوارم روش درست میکنی. So this is a duster that I used to dust the shelves. يدست كما فوري This is polish. This is cleaning liquid. This is bleach. This is bleach. This is vacuum cleaner. This is the dust one. At home, I have a polish. I have a cleaning fluid. I have a bleach. And we have a Japanese vacuum cleaner. And we have a Chinese dust pan. This is a brush. When I don't vacuum the carpet, I usually brush the carpet. وقتی که ما جارو برقی نمیکنم پالینه بعد ما از برش استفاده I brush. And this is the broom, broom. So we have a good broom at home. Recycling bin, recycling bin. We have 3 recycling bins at home, and we have a garbage bag or bin liner. The garbage bag is the US word and bin liner is a UK word. And we have rubber gloves. I buy a pair of rubber gloves once a month because my wife wears it when she washes the clothes or do the laundry. So thank you very much. It was the words. I hope you enjoy it. Wish all the best and keep trying and follow my other videos.